To check your account balance on Ledger Live, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find your balance quickly. Step 1. Open Ledger Live. Launch the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Ensure that your Ledger hardware wallet is connected if you are using a desktop version. Step 2. Unlock your device. If you are using a Ledger hardware wallet, unlock it by entering your PIN code. This step is essential for accessing your account securely. Step 3. Navigate to accounts. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. From the list of accounts, select the specific cryptocurrency account for which you want to check the balance. Clicking on the account will open a detailed view. Step 5. View your balance. In the account details view, you will see your current balance displayed prominently. You can also review transaction history and other relevant information related to that account. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Ledger Live. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you stay informed about your cryptocurrency holdings.